A light magnitude 3.2 earthquake hit 26 kilometers, 16 miles, away from Lincang, Yunnan, Sheng, China, in the early morning of Sunday, May 25, 2025 at 4:51 a.m. local time, GMT+8. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, TMD after 17 minutes. The earthquake occurred 4 weeks after a magnitude 3.8 earthquake had hit on Friday, April 25, 2025, at 3:46 p.m. local time. Asia, Shanghai GMT+8, in 42 kilometers, 26 miles, distance to the west. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.